Everyone, this is Gauri Gunglani and I have got one amazing opportunity for you today. Deloitte is back with its national level assessment and it's time for you to take advantage of it. So if you're a graduate in BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BTech, MTech, from all three fields like from science, commerce or engineering, there is no better way to kickstart your career, and especially if you're going to graduate this year, which is 2025. When I joined Deloitte, I just had a BSc in IT degree, but it was the best opportunity just after college I could have asked for. And with NLA, you could be the next one to join this amazing team and firm. So just follow this 3-step checklist Deloitte recently posted on their LinkedIn. Just check whether you're eligible to apply or not. Second, complete the registration by clicking on the link. I will discuss more in the further video. Third, submit all your details properly. I will add all the links to apply in the description, but don't wait too long. Registrations close on January 13. Mark the date and register today. Now when you click that link which is mentioned on the post, you will come to this page and you see there are top 4 highlights, which is hiring tracks, recruitment process, testimonial, recruiting tips and resources. We first have to go to hiring track. You will get 3 different options to select. First, engineering, undergraduate science, and then commerce. Based on your field, you can select one and go to the specified track. So now when you go to each one of the track, first let's take engineering track. You will see they have mentioned specifically the qualification required, eligibility, along with the compensation part. So they have mentioned that which specialization they want, like they want computer science, streams, IT and other circuitry branches. Also MTech, they have mentioned specialization IT and computer science, and then MCA also. Plus the main part is the year of graduation should be 2025 and the mark should be 60% or above in your degree. Also the compensation which they have mentioned is, so the compensation will be 4 lakh plus variable benefits you'll get when you start working in the organization. Similarly, like engineering, we have science track also, where they are describing the qualification and the eligibility along with compensation. So here BSc science field is mostly BSc field, so there any combination with computer science, cybersecurity is eligible. BCA applicants are also allowed to register for this assessment, and the year of graduation should be 2025 with aggregation of CGPA or percentage 60% or more than that. And the compensation is 3.25 in the case of science track. Let's see about commerce track now. So people from commerce field, they are eligible if they have done BBA, BMS, BBM. So mostly about finance, management studies, BCom, and the year of graduation should be 2025. And the marks should be more than 60% or equivalent to that. Compensation is 3.25 in this case also, along with different benefits which you can get when you join the organization. So this was the all 3 tracks, eligibility and the requirements along with the compensation. So now let us see the hiring process. We have total 5 stages. We have to clear all the stages to reach to the final offer letter stage. The very first is registration. This is what I'm talking about right now in this video, where we have to register, we have to fill the form. And we have to fill out all the important details which are important, which are needed. Example, everything, like right from your phone number, your email ID to the project details which you have done in the past, the skill set which you have, the project experience or internship experience which you have. Because based on this registration, based on these details, you will be shortlisted and you will be taken ahead in the process of interview. So after the recruitment team feels that your skill set are relevant, you will get a shortlist from them. Then comes the online assessment part, which is you will be getting a invite to appear for an online assessment to showcase your technical abilities. Once online assessment is cleared, you will be taken ahead to online interview, which will be a virtual one-on-one interview, and you have to showcase best of yourself. You reach to the final round. Now based on your performance in the assessment online interview, you will get your final result, whether you're selected or you're rejected. So this was the complete hiring process. So make sure you fill your form correctly. You fill all the appropriate details. Do not miss out on any of the details. So that was the recruitment and hiring process along with the hiring tracks. Now testimonials and recruiting tips and resources. You can go through the website below and you can check more on the tips and resources to crack the interview. Note that you should not have applied to any profile in Deloitte USI in the last 6 months, or any offer you shouldn't have got in the last 6 months. Then only your application will be accepted. That was it from the video. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, please like it, share it with your friends and family who are going to graduate in 2025, and comment below if you have any questions. I will try to reply and help you in your application journey. Also, do not forget to subscribe for more exciting updates and career tips. Good luck with your application. Thank you.